How to log in DBS Career. It's me Mikran from Tech Basics. I'm back again with easy tutorial. Login in DBS Career is quite easy. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Go to the DBS Career website. In the address bar of your web browser, type DBS Career login and press enter. Click on the first link. This will take you to DBS Career's official website. Find the login button. Look for login or sign in button on the DBS Career website. It's usually located at top right corner of the page or the home page itself. Click on it to proceed. Enter your credential. Click on the login page. You will see a field where you can enter your username and password. Input the username and password associated with your DBS Career account into the appropriate field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password. Click login. After entering your credential, click on login button to log into your DBS Career account. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. Depending on your account setting, you may require to complete a two-factor authentication process. This could involve receiving a one-time password on your registered mobile or email address. Enter the OPT in the provided field to proceed. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard or home page. From here, you can view job openings, update your profile, apply for position, and perform other actions related to your job search or career at DBS. That's it. You have successfully logged into your DBS Career account. You can explore job opportunities, manage your application, and access other features available to registered users. If this video was helpful, press the like button and comment down below. Also, for more easy tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel.